Hey there, welcome back to my channel Nat Tale. And it had been a while since I last posted the vlog, which was in Tokyo, Japan. And this time you're coming with me to Guwahati and Shillong. So have a seat, sit back, and enjoy. So our plan is to depart from Mumbai airport and land in Guwahati first so that we can have a pit stop in Guwahati. So first thing we did is we took a boat ride in the lake, which was right in the middle of the city, and then we were heading towards the zoo.
It was many days' travel to the nearest man village, and without a mother's care, he would soon perish. And it occurred to me.
Look out! I think Moto Moto likes you. Here he comes.
I like 'em big, I like 'em chunky, I like 'em big, I like 'em lumpy, I like 'em round, with something, something, they like my sound.
After the zoo visit ended, we were headed for the lunch and some shopping in Guwahati, such as saris and some handicraft items. And that concludes our day in Guwahati. So tomorrow we'll be heading to Shillong. So see you there. This is Umimam Lake, which is right in the middle of Guwahati and Shillong, which is already in a state of Meghalaya. And this lake is worth visiting for a boat ride.
मोबाइल संभाल
Then it is Ward's Lake, which is right in the Police Bazaar, and I got a chance to wear khasi, which is traditional Meghalaya outfit. And here we were intimating the Mr. Bean, which is Police Bazaar, which is one of the most famous and most visited spot in Shillong. Our hotel view had two German Shepherd we used to always see all the time. We are heading now to the no network zone, which is the Shillong highest peak, and currently it is in the property of the Air Force. So there was a little security measure that had to be taken with presenting our ID cards and church information. No private cars or public cars can enter. They have a specific cars or taxi which are allowed to enter the property. Fruits and vegetables are grown in little odd way, little specific patterns or shape which is not seen in Mumbai. This is Shillong tea farm. So the tea leaves are being harvested here when it's time to harvest, and live harvesting can be also seen here. We are heading toward the elephant waterfall, and it's too steep, it's way too down, and lot of stamina and energy is being used while climbing up the stair. Lastly, we are heading to the Lightroom Canyon, which is about 40 kilometers to 50 kilometers away from the Shillong city, and currently we were in an unfavorable situation to see the canyon because it is covered up with a cloud, but I prefer you visiting when it's not raining or not having any fog day. Good morning. So this is our last day in Shillong, and finally we are heading back to Mumbai. But we will be taking a layover in Calcutta since direct flight does not go to Mumbai. Most of the flights in the Seven Sisters, that is the northeastern state, are operated by ATR flight, which has propeller, and it mostly landing in Delhi, Calcutta, or whatever nearby cities are available. It does not take farthest destination. This is Calcutta to Mumbai flight, and finally we have come end to the vlog, and I thank you a lot for watching till the end. I hope you visit here once. Bye bye.